Hi, Jack here from Sell Your Car to Jack, and today we have the supercharged 5 litre Range Rover SVR. This is a 2018 Range Rover SVR. It has 27,000 miles on the clock, and still today this retails at about £90,000. Brand new with the extras that it's got, it was 120 grand. So they hold the money really well. This has some special options on it. It has the Madagascar Orange SVO Premium Palette Paintwork, which is £3,750 upgrade. It has side steps, head-up display, and the most iconic thing about this car, it has the carbon interior and exterior pack, which makes it look incredible. This car also, it sounds like a caged animal. Sell Your Car to Jack is your local trusted car buyer. We offer a free, quick and easy way to sell your car with no admin fees and an immediate same-day payment. If you want to find out how much your car is worth, just go to our website for a free valuation.